Hi, this is Muhyiddin Shag, and I welcome you to International Speakers Academy. Guys, today I'm going to teach you the simple past tense. And I believe that you have watched the video of the simple present tense. You have practiced it, you have memorized the vocabularies, and you are now ready to learn the simple past tense. Let me tell you, the simple past tense is very important. The simple past tense is used more than 80%. If you are able to practice the simple past tense, which I'm going to teach you soon, if you practice it and you are able to communicate comfortably in the simple past tense, I promise you, your 70 to 80% of English speaking problem will be resolved. Your grammatical errors will reduce to great extent. What I have observed, people who start learning English or the people who don't speak English regularly, they make mistakes mostly in the simple past tense. Although the rule of the simple past tense is very easy, yet people make mistakes. Why? Because they lack practice. They don't have good exposure of speaking English language. They don't get people around them whom they can speak with. Therefore, in this video, I'll also teach you the practice sentences. By practicing those sentences with question and answer, you will get comfortable. Your tongue will get used to of speaking such sentences. So your tongue will start speaking English effortlessly. Let me tell you, nothing will work unless you do the work. Means only listening and watching the video will not be enough, but you got to practice it. So let's get started. The simple past tense active voice. So I'm teaching you the active voice. As I've said to you, first I will finish all the 12 active voice rules and then we will begin the passive voice. So simple past active voice. Let's have a look at the definition. The simple past tense is used to describe an action completed in the past. Well, we use the simple past tense to describe an action which happened in the past. So any action, any work which happened before now will be called the simple past tense. Sometimes we get confused according to Hindi language, काम किया या काम किया था, right? So even for काम किया था, you can use the simple past tense. There is no specific rule that for kiya tha we will only speak the past perfect tense. When I will come to the past perfect tense, I will explain to you, because past perfect tense is always used with the connection of some other past sentences or some other past tense. We don't use the past perfect tense alone. So here you have to remember any work which happened before, that is the simple past tense. All right. According to Hindi language, it will be काम हो गया, right? The simple past tense is used to describe an action completed in the past. Let's have a look at the rule of the affirmative sentence. All subject, second form of the verb and then object. Very simple with all subject. I, he, she, it, you, we, they, singular or plural. With all subject, what we use? Second form of the verb and then the object. As you have learned, there are three forms of the verb. The first one is called present, the second is called past, and the third one is called past participle. We also call it verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. The first form of the verb, the second form of the verb, the third form of the verb. So in affirmative sentence, in the simple past tense, we will use the second form of the verb. First, what we use? The subject, then second form of the verb, and then object. For example, I drank tea. He went to his office. They bought a car. In interrogative sentence, we use did. First, did is the sign of the interrogative sentence, means you are asking question. So first we use did, and then we use the subject, and then first form of the verb, and then the object. Here what you have to remember, whenever we use did, with did always the first form of the verb will come. With did, second form of the verb can never come. So that is the thumb rule. Whenever there is did as an auxiliary verb, the verb will be in the first form. If you want to use some interrogative pronoun like what, when, how, etc., then that interrogative pronoun will come before did, right? For example, if you have to say, did you watch the cricket match? Did you buy a car? Did he fight with you? But if I use interrogative pronoun, then that will come before did. Where did you go yesterday? What did you have in breakfast? What did you buy from the market? Right? So this was the rule of interrogative sentence. Now I'll teach you the rule of negative sentence. In negative sentence with all subject, what we use? Didn't, or you can also say did not. Didn't is the contracted form of did not. So all subject, didn't, first form of the verb, and then object. Here also you have to bear in your mind that with didn't, we always use the first form of the verb. With didn't, second or third form can never come. That is a thumb rule. So bear in your mind, whenever you use did and didn't, you have to always use the first form of the verb. For an example, I didn't see you. I didn't have my lunch. You didn't come to meet me. What I did, I used first form because the rule says I have to use the first form with didn't. So guys, this was the simple past tense rule. It was very simple as that. Now we will read out the examples in order to understand it better. So let's read out the sentences. Affirmative sentence. I wiped the table. Wipe means pochna. We doused the fire. Douse means आग बुझाना. He apologized to me. Apologize, माफी मांगना. She persuaded the teacher. Persuade means राजी करना. The travelers stampeded at the station. Stampede, भगदड़ मचाना. Travelers, मुसाफिर या यात्री. So यात्रियों ने या मुसाफिरों ने स्टेशन पर भगदड़ मचाया. Interrogative sentence. Did you drag him to the police station? क्या तुमने उसे पुलिस स्टेशन तक घसीटा? Drag means घसीटना. Did she treat you well? Treat means बर्ताव करना किसी के साथ, right? Treat के माने बर्ताव करना, इलाज करना, किसी को छोटा पार्टी देना. These all meanings. These are the meanings of treat. But over here, treat means बर्ताव करना. Did she treat you well? क्या उसने तुम्हारे साथ अच्छे से बर्ताव किया? When did he board the aircraft? Board मतलब सवार होना, किसी भी बस, ट्रेन, एरोप्लेन, किसी भी सवारी के अंदर में चढ़ना या सवार होना. When did he board the aircraft? Aircraft means aeroplane. वो प्लेन पर कब सवार हुआ? Where did you remove the shoes? तुमने जूते कहाँ निकाले? Remove means निकालना, उतारना. Why did you get criticized? Criticize means बुराई करना. But over here, get criticized. अब इसका माना बुराई होना हो जाएगा. So why did you get criticized? तुम्हारी बुराई क्यों हुई? Negative sentence. She didn't dominate me. वो मुझ पे हावी नहीं हुई. Dominate मतलब किसी पे हावी होना, किसी को दबा के रखना. So she didn't dominate me. वो मुझ पे हावी नहीं हुई. I didn't agree with him. Agree means राजी होना. We didn't beat him. Beat means मारना. We didn't get beaten. Get beaten मार खाना. So we didn't beat him. हमने उसे नहीं मारा. And we didn't get beaten. हम मार नहीं खाए. He didn't conceal the truth. Conceal means छुपाना. Truth मतलब सच्चाई. He didn't conceal the truth. उसने सच्चाई नहीं छुपाया. So guys, this was the rules and the examples of the simple past tense. I hope you have understood this, but only understanding is not enough. As I always say, there are 3 dimensions of learning. The first one is that you have to understand, which is done. Now you have to install this rule in your brains, and then you have to practice in order to deliver these sentences, these rules. So guys, keep on practicing, keep on watching the videos, and keep on learning. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, like this video, and share it with others, right? The more you share, the more confident you become. So thank you very much for watching this video. I catch you in next video. Take care. Bye-bye.